META-aivi is a portable AI vision system that combines the power of machine vision with human dexterity. Quickly deploy in a few simple steps. Easy to operate and fast to deploy, META-aivi leverages instant learning technology capable of building an AI model in seconds, rather than days, for maximum efficiency. Smart device compatibility. Solomon's AI-powered AR platform integrates seamlessly with regular smart devices, including AR glasses, smartphones, tablets, body cameras, and IP cameras. Smart factory management. META-aivi eliminates time-consuming, error-prone manual meter reading processes. Empower operators in the field with instant precise gauge meter reading. Automatically populate forms for greater inspection accuracy and efficiency. SOP validation. With AR guidance and AI verification, META-aivi ensures personnel follow SOPs and keeps performance records for compliance. Reinforce correct conduct and accelerate new staff training. AI surveillance. Easily connect to our server within the network domain to leverage existing surveillance cameras for upgraded AI recognition. META-aivi's intelligent remote monitoring capability enhances the safety and security of personnel, equipment, and facilities. Order verification. Cross-check inventory and orders with AR glasses for hands-free operation and calculate quantities with precision through AI. Maintain accurate inventory and order history whilst reducing human error. Deployable through different platforms and scenarios, META-aivi offers unparalleled versatility. META-aivi has been helping hundreds of users and companies around the world across all industries.